You know, nothing beats blessing family or friends than with a delicious dish of your favorite recipe. This chicken and rice dish is perfect for that, and especially during these holiday seasons. Hey guys, I'm Chef Wainaina. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm sharing with you this simple recipe that I'm going to bless my cousin who really blessed me some weeks ago. You see, my mixing machine broke down, the one I used to make chapatis with, but she was nice enough to bless me with her own to use until mine was fixed. So today I'm making this and I'm gonna deliver it to our house. So let's go ahead and prepare this together. And remember, this is a dish that you can also do, bless your family. So what I have here is 3 pounds of chicken thighs, which I've just cleaned. I'm patting them dry with some paper towel, just getting off the excess moisture. And then just seal on the cutting board here. I'm going to season these salt and pepper. And then on the side here, as you can see, I have a pan that is already heating. This is a quick cooking dish. I love my chicken thighs. Once the pan is nice and hot here, add some vegetable oil and then lay the chicken skin side down and then have it brown. I'll quickly clean the cutting board and continue doing the rest of the ingredients. So as the chicken browns, I will crush some garlic here, ginger, some onions. Start with garlic here, just crush. So this is a kid-friendly dish, so I'll be careful with what I'm adding onto it. Peel some ginger here. That's good to me. Next, I'll take 1 red onion. Just slice it, put it aside. 1 bell pepper, bell pepper done. Have some cilantro here that I just cleaned. Thyme, always mixed with the ginger garlic, and then roughly chop this. This will be for cooking and garnishing. Find a spot for them. Next, I have 3 tomatoes. Just roughly chop this. I'll actually use 2. In the meanwhile, I'll have a look at our chicken here. Look at that beautiful color right there. So just turn it. And have them brown on that side. So we covered our chicken here just to speed it up a little bit, and it's doing perfect. So the chicken is beautifully browned here, so I'm going to remove it. Into the oil, add onions and have it brown. Touch salt and pepper. So the onions here have started to get some color. Time to add our garlic, ginger, cilantro roots, and the stems into the mix. Give it a stir. Have the garlic, ginger, cilantro start releasing their flavors. The key word in cooking is developing flavors. Into the pot, I'm going to add a tablespoon of cumin coriander mix, about a teaspoon of dried thyme, and another half a teaspoon of dried rosemary. Give that a stir. I will add 1 big bay leaf. This is just so fragrant here already. I can tell they are going to enjoy this. They don't even know that I'm surprising them with this. I'll just show up in their house later. I love doing that to my friends and family. It's a very good way of showing your love to them. So now I'm going to add the tomatoes and the bell peppers. Everything goes in. And some of the cilantro. Season, salt and pepper. Always season as you go. That looks beautiful. I'll add in a teaspoon of tomato paste. I'm going to cover this and have everything cooked down. We're gonna open our mixture here, see how it's doing, coming together very nicely. So I'm going to give it 1 more minute or so. In the meanwhile, I'm going to rinse some 2 cups rice. That's beautiful basmati rice. So 2 cups cleaned. I'll open back our pot here. This is nice and ready to go. I'm going to measure 1.5 cups of chicken stock. The same container that I used to measure the rice with. Just like so. And then I'm going to introduce our rice into the liquid here. Spread it nicely. And then I'm going to nudge in back our chicken right on top. We still want the skin to be nice and crispy. Just put it on top. Any accumulated juices, just add them in there. This is deliciousness. Just rinse it with some water. Boom. Can't throw it out. Once our chicken is in, I'll add 1.5 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. I will put back the lid, bring this back to a boil, let it cook for about between 15 and 18 minutes, all until the rice is nicely cooked and also the chicken is cooked through. There you have it, friend, our beautiful, easy to make chicken and rice 1-pot dish. Nice and ready to go. Can't wait to share this. Look at that. Beautiful rice right there. So there you have it, my friends. Just serve this family style and you and your friends will definitely enjoy it. In this case, my cousin will enjoy this. I'm just going to serve it into a bowl and deliver it. Look at that. Garnish this with some of the cilantro. And just tell me who wouldn't enjoy this. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this is a recipe that you can try. It's delicious. It's easy to make. Less than an hour. You have a delicious dish that you and your family will definitely enjoy. So friends, before I leave, it's Thanksgiving season and I want to thank each and every one of you for supporting this channel. You've been there, you've subscribed, you've left me some nice comments, you've liked the channel, you've done everything, and this channel has kept on growing because of you. So thank you very much. And if you are looking for a recipe to thank somebody with, this rice and chicken recipe will do it for you. So until the next one, see you. Happy Thanksgiving.